Hello again, it's Noob, and recently you might have seen me pick this Squire 39 laminated steel padlock. It's got 4 pins, works as you'd expect, but weirdly it just has a single locking pull, sprung and shimmable. So whilst it's not the worst laminated steel padlock in the entire world, it's clearly not a great one either. Let's put that to one side and check out this one. This is also a Squire number 39. Also got a 4-pin lock inside it, 4-pin key. But there's a number of things different. So one, it's very heavy. It says steel construction, and this wrapper around here, this sort of molded steel, it really does add some weight to it. I don't know what it does in terms of security because both of them are laminated, and actually if you look here you can see they seem to have pretty much the same core construction or body construction. Another couple of things about it which is really cool, unlike the standard hardened steel shackle in the other Squire 39, this has a boron steel shackle, much harder, and a double locking dual ball bearing mechanism. And I think that's really cool. Of course, it even has a rubberized metal shroud. So when you compare these two locks, they are Squire 39s, but this STRONGLOCK is vastly better than this old Squire 39. I actually think this is quite a good lock. What does it take to pick it? Well, do you know what? I'm actually going to use a vise on this. Not because I desperately want to use a vise, it's just my hands are really fatigued from a night of picking. And this is actually a heavy padlock. In terms of picking it then, I just need a top of the keyway tensioner and, well, I'm going to use my 18 thousandths Peterson gem because it's a keyway which you can go all the way up if you're careful. Top of the keyway, nice bit of tension, medium tension, medium to firm, go in, so it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, so this is pin 3, oh, might overset that a little bit, let's have a look, pin 2, there's pin 1, pin 2, back to the back, pin 4, pin 3, pin 2, pin 1 there. Might have overset a pin, so just going to rock the tension back a bit. So that's 3, 2. Something on 4, little click, little something on 3, little something on 2, tiny nudge on 1 there, 3, that's 3, 2, 1, and we are open. So what's weird about this is it's not immediately easy to pick, and I don't really know why. It could be that there are spools in it, but they are not just engaging inside here, and what's happening is they're acting a little bit like a double serration. I don't know, but it's not an immediately easy pick, not when you compare it to the other Squire 39. If you go check out that video, you'll see I'm in that in a few seconds. This actually does take a little bit of extra care. I wish I could see inside to find out why, but what I do know is that if I had the choice between these two locks, I'd choose this lock every single time. Anyway, hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you all next time.